The most delicious, high-protein, crispy salt and pepper chicken and chips. Only 450 calories and so easy to make. Slice your chicken into cubes, add soy sauce, black pepper, garlic, and corn flour. Mix till you lose patience, then slice your uncooked potato, season with salt, pepper, garlic, paprika, and olive oil. Bake in the oven or air fry till golden and crispy. Then cook the chicken for 8 to 10 minutes on medium heat. Set the chicken aside, then add onions and bell peppers. Cook for 2 minutes before adding more seasoning, honey, the chips, and green onion. Give it a good mix, then distribute into 4 equal servings, then serve and enjoy. The tastiest high-protein garlic butter steak bites and Cajun mac and cheese. Only 550 calories, so creamy and easy to make. Slice your steaks into cubes, season with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, parsley, chili powder, and olive oil. Mix till the color changes, then cook the steak bites in light butter for 3 minutes on each side till golden and crispy. Add more light butter, minced garlic, and fresh parsley. Give it all a good mix, then set the beef aside. Add low-fat milk, light cream cheese, light cheddar and mozzarella, and this Cajun seasoning mix. Stir till the cheese melts, then add your cooked macaroni. Give it all a good mix, then distribute into 4 equal servings, and you're ready to enjoy. The most delicious, high-protein, creamy, garlic, cheesy chicken and potatoes. Only 500 calories and so easy to meal prep. Slice your chicken into cubes, add fresh garlic, onion powder, mixed herbs, chili flakes, paprika, salt, and olive oil. Mix till you lose patience, then slice your uncooked potato, season with salt, garlic, mixed herbs, chili flakes, paprika, and olive oil. Mix well, then oven or air fry on the settings listed on screen. Next, cook the chicken on high heat for 5 minutes, then lower the heat, add milk, light cream cheese, parmesan, and extra seasoning before adding your crispy potatoes. Add shredded mozzarella, then cover for a few minutes to let the cheese melt. Then distribute into 4 equal servings, and you're ready to enjoy.
Afiyet olsun.